Working outside on another fun day.
Make sure to plug that in when I didn't.
Mom, that's as far as it goes.
Okay.
It's already there. Isn't it?
Oh, but and then where?
Will be the half long.
JoJo's house.
I'd like
Hold it.
That's good.
Push your hand.
I mean, look at that. So
Left foot, right foot, left foot. Ow!
55-degree angle.
Ding dong. Would have been bad. What do you think, Joanna?
You've got the angle cut since all these boards are free. This one will go just like that. On top of that.
To do that in the olden days.
Yep, when I had short boards.
And why do you do the angle?
So the water will run away from the building off the board.
Yeah.
Right here. Lean-to greenhouse on this side. I'm gonna go from about here all the way down to here with a garden. Pirate ship's gone. Bye-bye, pirate ship.
Yeah, that's not falling. Oh, it's falling, Mom.
It's like anticlimactic. Oh my goodness, what did it take down?
Now let it go. Perfect.
That's clay.
Yep.
Now all we gotta do is tent and post it. The puppy's out of breath from the COVID. See, have a bunch of dirt left over.
Yeah? Oh, sorry.
And all we have to do is set the sideboard here. Got this 2x4 down here. Going to just kind of push it as close as we can in the middle, just for now.
We can make the door.
These were all 50 cents.
Which is the Carteret
Habitat.
Habitat.
For Humanity Preschool.
Well, they were all 50 cents a piece.
Versus, how much are they usually?
Contractors drop off.
So what we have to do is you'll probably have to grab the bottom or something. Slide them up. Like this.
Every time.
And then we gotta like crawl through there. And then we can also let the goat out.
So this will be at the middle.
This is the angle that determines the pitch.
This determines the pitch. So we're making a template for the roof rafters that are going to go from here up like this.
We're going to hang over about 12 inches off the end.
Jumpy, jumpy. The trees in the background make it look like. They're hurricane braces.
Yeah, that's the center post.
And we've got these two boards.
Right there. You don't even need it right there. You get that first one out,
Pull it out right.
and you just, the rest will
It looks
In
so
summer,
good.
you can pull them out and the air will go through.
We're gonna fill this up with hay.
So this area will be their sleeping area,
Right here.
which is 4 foot by 10 foot, over 40 square feet.
I think that's enough.
And then we're also going to have option of them eventually being able to come out to the dirt and sleep.
Because we don't really have.
You got a functioning little goat door now. And then this door can direct the goat into the milking stand. We put a little light up there. It's a solar powered light we found at Tractor Supply for how much?
You might know where you want your.
It's for $6.
But
You gotta wet how you put now.
Peekaboo!
You gotta wet how you. The whole way.
Open up.
what you putting up? Curling. There she is.
Huh?
Do you have gloves?
Homesteaders.
Turn that back.
Yeah.
Now to the side!